Hi guys, so today we're gonna be testing my new vending machine that my mom made me. Cause I was lazy to make it and she's literally over there playing with her phone. And then I will guys show you. So put it to the hole. The hole is still not here. What? Oh, there you go. There's two items that fell. Let's twist that. Oh, a bracelet. Nice. Okay, are you taking videos of me right now? Oh, is that two items or just one? Oh, there is two items actually. There's a, what sign is this? Mommy! Mommy! Ano na design? Chanel. I thought it was Gucci. So I have a Chanel pin that I got. Don't mind our language, it's Filipino. Okay, let's get another one. So you guys can comment down if you want to see the back, or should I just tell you the back. So I think you all are gonna ask for the back, so here is the back. Let's open that thing up. I don't have a money. I don't have a money slot because my mom was hurrying to make this because my sister is crying. Why is it yes? So this is like where the objects goes, like that. That's where the objects goes, and then. We just use a Pringles can for this, and then the Pringles can is has a hole on it. That's where the items will fall, like that. If I twist it, it will fall. Okay, this is how it works. So there's an item, and then I twist this, and then wait for the item to fall. Oh, there we go. And then you twist it, and then it will come down here. Okay, finally we got it. Now it's here, and then you get it from the hole. That's how it works. Let's try that again, but without the back. Try it without the back. Nonchalant na bata. Nonchalant ka gid balabyo. That. Oopsies. Nonchalant. Okay. Let's try it. Oh wait. I'm gonna get something. Ulap. Ulap. Mami, ginatawag yung anak ka. So look at this. This is the ones that we made yesterday. This is the craft that we Ulap gani. This is the craft. Look, pick. You pick Pochacco, okay. Pochacco. Pick a color. Wait. Let's pick Roman first again. Kuromi. Okay, now you pick green. Let's see what green says. You have to like and subscribe. Look. Like and subscribe. Ta-da! Okay. Serve. Yeah. Something is gonna snack. Oops. Wait, smack. Need to smack this first. This a ribbon that's about to fall. Okay, so let's try it. Oh, I really want that Chanel. Oh. Comment down what team are you? Are you team Kiefer or are you team JJ with Kiefer or are you team Yuri with Kiefer? I mean Yuri with JJ. Comment down below what team are you? I got a bun and a. So these are the items that I got. I have 4. I got 4 items. Yay! I got 4. Oopsie! 3 items. No. Let's just put that back. No, God, please, no. No. I'll set up. Set up. Which one? Nonchalant. May nonchalant po may kahibit na. Hi, babies. What are you doing there, baby? Okay, and that's all, guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Why are you not talking? But you said it was okay to talk. Because you're a Filipino. Okay, bye. Let's put this back first. Pick my melody. Oh, no, C number wrong. Okay. C. Oopsies. C I N A O C I N C I N N A M M MOROLL. Okay. Pick a color. Pink. Okay, pink. You pick pink. Bike for 15 minutes. Oh. You gotta do that. Do that right now. Wow, the best friends. Look, guys, it's so nice. Look, my Melody and Coroni is best friends. And then I don't know if Cinnamon and Pochaco are best friends. Bye! I'm attacking you.